Hello, dear friends. How are you? I hope you all great. So today we are here to talk about the why we need to choose the IT field and why bootcamp is important for our career. So and also we have three guests in our meeting. So they will join us soon, and we will talk about. Actually, we will discuss the uh, about the IT field, about our boot camps, and also the AI. So yeah, basically, before starting, let me remind you about our boot camps. So in our boot camps will start soon. So in 20 of January, we will have a lot of boot camps. So we have Java boot camps, QA boot camps, and if you are interested in this boot camps, so you can apply and we can create your career in this journey. So yeah, and let me explain the our guests. So today, Mr. Burak will join us, and also Mr. Esen will join us. So and after that, Mrs. Saima will join us. So they are working in the TechPro Education, so they know do this career, and also they have the good experience about to IT field. So today we will discuss about these topics difference. So welcome to Burak and Mr. Esen. How are you? I hope you all
I'm
great.
fine. I hope you are doing well, Miss Benisha. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good. So what about Mr. Burak? We cannot hear you.
Yes, sorry. Thank you, Mr. Meksha, for inviting us to this meeting. Hope this will be a good starting for our friends to start their career in IT field. Yes, we will talk about the opportunities in the IT field. Yeah, before the questions, I want to explain it. Yeah, this area, guys, really gives you a lot of opportunities. It is really popular in these times, especially. So I hope all of you will decide on this career and keep going in this area after now. Yes,
Thank
thank
you.
you again. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Murat. So basically, dear friends, today, as I said before, and we will talk about the IT field and also our boot camps. So today, Mr. Burak and Mr. Hassan will help us and explain their experience. So, okay, let's start the first question. I think it's going to Mr. Burak. So,
Yes.
why should we choose the IT field?
Yes, this question is really popular, as I said you before, guys. Nowadays, IT field is growing, and there are a lot of job opportunities exist in this area. And if you have a background, especially for programming and programming languages, you can find easily a remote job. This is the most important opportunity, most important advantages for IT field. You can work remotely as a QA, as a tester, as a developer, or as a data scientist. A lot of area exists. I can mention. We will mention about these things. For example, you can work as a security programmer, cyber security area. In cyber security, this is really popular again. And there are a lot of opportunities that exist. So why not you will choose this area? Because of one of the advantages, as I said, remote jobs. uh, After then, if you choose this area, you can find uh, in this area, you can do your job by coding, and coding is how can I say easier, really easier by using, especially again this is popular AI tools. Only you will say that you will give your prompt, you will give your prompt, you give your request to AI, and after then AI will explain you, will give you the result easily. So because of that, this area again is really easy, and it has again how can I say a good opportunity. The salaries in this area are really high for you, and you can find a good salary job easily. For example, not in your country, you can find a job from different countries also. Maybe you can live in Asian countries. For example, you can live in Afghanistan. You can find a job from USA easily. And after then, plenty of room for growth. Yeah, this area is really open to growing. This is another advantages for IT field. Why you will choose IT sector? IT sector has a lot of opportunities, as I said to you before. So because of that, it will give you good advantages. IT skills are in high demand. Yeah, according to Bureau of Labor Statistics, yeah, employment in IT sector expected to grow significantly faster than the average of all occupations. It is written at that way in the magazines, in the all yeah how can I say the sectors, economic sectors, especially economic newspapers write it like that. Okay, you can develop your skills that you can use outside of work also. Yes, you can work remotely, so you can work without time schedule. Okay, you can adjust your schedule by yourself. It depends on you, guys. You don't need to follow the company's schedule. So it gives you a lot of opportunities also. Yes, I can say that, yeah, the IT field has a lot of advantages for you, and if you choose this area, it will be really nice for you.
Thank you,
Okay,
Mr. Burak.
you're welcome.
Actually, you explained every detail about the IT field, but just one question, like
Mhm.
let's assume, for example, if I don't have any experience about the IT field, and
Yes.
do you think that it will be easier to switch the IT field and I can create the good career in the IT field?
Yes, definitely. Why? Because it is again accepted from all companies and countries also. You know, you know, uh, classical education, you need to follow the universities. First, you need to enter university exam, and after that, you need to you need to take a lot of points from the university exam. After that, you need to choose especially computer science or electronic or computer education departments. You need to choose these departments, and after that you need to study for 4 years at least for that education. But nowadays it is accepted that only if you know that special area. For example, you are responsible for testing, for example, testing of website. what will you do for testing a website? For example, this is really popular, testing means test the web application, especially web pages, it is working good or not. Uh, what specialties do you need for that? Get rid of first automation. As a tester, only you need to be a good user, and this doesn't need any qualifications. So your how can I say, your intent, your the angle that you will look for. Yeah, these are important. As a normal customer, you need to think like a user. Customer for a tester, I mean, user for a normal user. If you think like a normal user and if you test the application like normal user, that's enough for you. But after then, you need to learn automation. And believe me, automation, coding strategy, coding logic is really easy, guys. If you have a qualification to understand the, not social mathematics, if you have a basic mathematics skills, that's enough for you to understand the programs, to understand the programming languages, guys. Believe me. I can say that, Mr. Melikşah. Yeah, maybe our friends are a little bit curious about I can figure out this education easily or not. But believe me, guys, if you know how to sum up two and two, or how to make a basic mathematical operations, that's enough for you to understand the programming languages.
Thank you, Mr. Burak, and you have pointed very well. So basically, yeah, as you know, in people who attended our boot camps, so they didn't have any IT experience, but after the boot camp, they find a job in the IT field. So that is really nice. And Mrs. Saima, welcome to our board. So hello, how
Thank you
are
so
you?
much. Thank you. Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, we can
Yes.
hear you. Great.
Okay. Just a minute. This.
So basically, in as you, Mr. Burak, you mentioned about it. So in the testing area, so we like companies needs the tester because they need to test their product as like expected result and actual result. So that's why Mrs. Saima is here to
Yeah.
explain software testing. And Mrs. Simon, what kind of job is software testing? And is it one of the popular specialists in the IT world? What do you
Oh,
think?
it's a very interesting job, I would say. It's something that is very important these days, especially like all the IT, the digital revolution that's happening in the world at the moment, with the advent of AI intelligence, after artificial intelligence is there, and the competition in IT field and is it's very huge. Like IT, we can say it's the most competitive market at the moment. So with all this revolution, digital revolution that's happening, IT is the leading field that is affecting all other fields of life as well. So the more it is becoming popular and effective in terms of the life fields that we have all around, job fields that we have, the more it is becoming a responsibility for the firms, for the companies, to make sure that their application is reliable, their application is user friendly. If, for example, take a very simple example, these days you are traveling frequently, you have let's say a cab, you need to book a cab, you need to book a taxi, you're using Uber. In area where I'm living, you use Kareem, and that you're booking a taxi and you're not able to see, or the taxi is not able to see your location, there's no point using that application. You will lose the market share very quickly, because there are so many other competitors in the field that are going to offer you a better service. So in case that's the application quality, that's the reliability, you lose your reliability in the market, and you lose job market, you lose the share in the job market, you lose your customers, and your reputation is gone. Who is there to survive? Who's the superhero, I would say, to survive, to protect that reputation, is the software testers. So software testers have a huge responsibility, right from the beginning of the software process, when the development starts, until the application is up and running, until the application is in the user's hand. Why? Because our job is to make sure that the application that we are building, it is tested thoroughly, its quality is according to the requirements that we have written in, it is performing according to the user's expectations. If users have certain expectations, they have experienced some other experience using other applications, they want better experience with your application. If your application is not providing better experience for the users will not come to use your application. They are not interested in that. So our job as a software tester is to make sure the application is reliable, it's user-friendly, and it's consistent in its behavior. It's not like sometimes I'm booking the taxi and it's charging me $2, $5, and the other times I'm booking the same taxi for the same destination and it's charging me $10. So there's this reliability that the user need to trust the application that they're using. The user need to trust the procedure, that have a trust bonding with the application, that the data I'm providing, it's going to be protected. The services that I'm seeking from this application, they are reliable. Every time I can book, I can trust this application, and it will return me the same responses, same results. So software testers have a huge responsibility. They are the quality gatekeepers. Without them, I think the applications are not going to run as expected, as we would like to see them.
Yeah, definitely. You have memorized the role of the software testing, and as you know, in last months, I don't remember exactly. So Tesla called their cars again, and this will be a huge cost for them, because they have the issues in their software, and so they need to test one more time. So
Oh,
yeah,
definitely. That happens all the time in the software development cycle. There are many times it happens that you are building something, developers are doing their job perfectly fine. No offense to developers. We are on their side too, the developers and testers. We are one team. We're trying to reduce the friction. So we are one team, and we are always trying to work for the betterment, for the quality of the application overall. That's the idea. So if the quality is, especially in fields like transportation, medical, banking, if not banking as was such risk for life, but any other field that has risk for life, for example, hospital application, our responsibility becomes even more,
mhm,
because anything that could get away from the testers' script that they wrote for maintaining the application's quality, then that could be a threat for the human life as well. So it becomes even more of an important job when the testers are, or when the developers are, or companies are building the applications related to that could pose a threat or safety to human life as well. So definitely, Tesla has done that a couple of times previously too. So
yeah, definitely.
that's where the job becomes even more important.
You are right, definitely. So, for example, like if I like now I wanna choose this IT field and I wanna be the tester. So where should I start? So
Oh,
you have experience about.
yes, like if you're migrating from another field of life, like myself, I have a teaching experience previously, and I've had a teaching experience for about like 5 years. in Hong Kong and UK based schools. But now for the last 2 years, I'm working with TechPro Education. So I think that's the best starting point. If you want to move, change your field, you're coming from any other field, as long as Mr. Brock was saying that as long as you're able to do 2+2, you have logical thinking capability, you are very good and warmly welcome into the IT field, because it's not about the mathematical skills that you need. It's about your logical and skills. If is your skills to resolve, or solution oriented skills. If you are a solution oriented person, if you are a person that likes to find the solution of the problems that are existing at the moment around you, then IT field is very ideal for that. But starting it as a tester, it becomes even more, I would say, an attractive point. Why? Because for a tester, you don't really need a very extensive programming or coding knowledge to start with. If you have your basics set, if your basics are solid, and you can learn them, by the way, believe me. We are talking based on the experience for it's our 6th year as TechPro Education Institute. So based on that experience, we have seen the students who have like zero knowledge of coding. They are coming completely from a different background, and they are very successful and they found the jobs, and they are working as successful testers in IT fields. So basically, as a tester, you need the minimum basic core concepts. If you're clear, then you are good to start make a change into the IT field. And that's where our job comes in as an institute, that we are there to provide you those core concepts and make sure that your core knowledge, your core concepts are solid before you get into this field, inshallah.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you, Mrs. Saima. You explained very well, and I think there is no gap about the testing for our friends. So, and also I have a question to Mr. Brad. Why
Yes.
we need to choose bootcamp?
Yes, we need to choose bootcamp? Guys, you by choosing this IT area, you will change your career. Maybe not some of you not change, but some of you will change your career. So because of that, you need to have a intensive education, and bootcamp gives you this education, gives you this opportunity. You know, boot camps are really popular nowadays, especially in USA and in European area. Nowadays, boot camps are really popular, especially in IT fields, in programming fields. Why? Boot camps. In boot camps, the participants have access to intensive programs designed to help them learn a specific skills set as quickly as possible. That way, students get the relevant and ready job skills in 3 or 6 months. And in our education, in TechPro Education, we will give you all the information you need in 6 months. Okay, and after 6 months, you will be ready for the market, and you will be ready for creating your resume and applying for a job. So you need a boot camp for this. For if you do this in normal education, by normal education, you cannot achieve your goal easily. It can took at at least 3 or 4 years for you to learn these skills. So by boot camp, guys, believe me, you can achieve your goal in 6 months, and boot camps gives you this opportunity. Yeah, besides, it provides an opportunity to acquire specialized knowledge outside the conventional environment, educational environment. Yeah, This, as I said to you before, guys, boot camp, normal classical education is totally different. In normal classical education, you maybe you achieve this position at least 3 or 4 years.
Yes, definitely. You are right. So basically, when I wanna learn something and I'm checking some video on YouTube, but most of the time it will take the waste of time for me because like we cannot find the good and enough video to learning. So that's why bootcamp is important to learn and to be in the sprint. So, okay, Mr. Esen, why take education for this career journey?
It's a really good question for the it's very good question for the career coaching departments for in the TechPro Education. The TechPro Educations, the founders of the TechPro Education are working on the worldwide IT companies, as my man. And for example, Bank of America, Mastercard, and Bots Group, these companies are in the USA. And fully online and live training is an important difference in the IT and software industry with more than 1 hour employees and expert trainers for more than 6 years. And the TechPro Education offer the first 45 or 75 hours of the courses completely free. That's true. Completely free. 45 hours or 75 hours of the courses completely free, my friends. Our students who want to can only take this free training and maybe they can live. And the training contents are designed to take anyone with no IT background from zero to the level of the expertise. It's completely suitable for anyone considering a new career. To date, many students of different ages and professions have successfully completed the course. Tech Education has ISO certificate, it's a quality management system, and information security management system certificate in this area. Uh, and Tech Education are most current these certificates are more most current valid documentation documents according to the international quality standards. And Tech Pro Education provides professional career coaching support completely. The career coaching support is free of the charge until you get a job. That's incredible. You get a job. Uh, with our large mentor staff, we provide one-to-one professional support to all our students during the course. Tech Education also provides a complete project-oriented education with many mini and medium or medium-sized projects during the course and a large graduation project at the end of the course when when necessary. Once we also involve our graduate students in projects. Special projects are made for them within the scope of our agreement with Richmond College in the United Kingdom. We offer our students the opportunity to do a fully online master's degree in IT in the United Kingdom. That's a really good opportunities, I think. That's my idea about your question, Mr. Melikshah. Is it enough for you?
Yeah, definitely, it's enough, and you pointed very well. Actually, like you said that after the boot camp, so we are continuing to the path with us. So
Mhm,
basically, when they find a job,
mhm,
so till they find a job, we will work together. So I think this is the most important point. And also,
mhm,
as you know, in our boot camps, so basically our instructor always working with the AI tools in
mhm,
the our sessions. So that's why like we are providing the AI tools. And
mhm.
what do you think about the AI, artificial intelligence, Mr. Hasan?
What did I think about the artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a branch of the computer science. The computer science that artificial intelligence focuses on creating machines or software that can think, learn, and make decisions. It's like a humans, my man. AI can process a large amount of data, and AI can recognize patterns and perform tasks such as understanding language, analyzing images, or predicting outcomes. For example, virtual assistants like Siri or chatbots use AI to understand and respond to questions. Many people worry that AI will replace jobs, especially in the IT sector, especially in the information technology field. But I think this is not true. AI will not end the IT sector, or AI will not instead IT sector. It will transform and improve it. I think AI will improve the IT sector. I think AI is a tool. I think AI is not a replacement. AI creates new opportunities, but not end of the IT sector. And humans and AI can work together. AI is powerful, as you know, but it cannot fully replace human creativity, and it cannot replace to the humans problem solving and decision making. IT experts will continue to lead projects, and the IT experts invent new technologies and ensure systems run smoothly. In short, as a result, if I talk briefly, AI is not here to destroy IT jobs or IT business. Instead, it will make IT work smarter and open the door to new possibilities. It's my idea. And the IT and the AI industries will grow together. I want to emphasize this text. I will emphasize this point. The IT and AI industries will grow together to improve technology and the way we live. My man, that's my reply to your question.
Thank you. You explained very great. So,
Mhm.
Mr. Burak, and again,
Yes.
the question is to you about the AI. So, do you think that AI will make our life easier or taking our job away?
Uh, Definitely, yeah. I think that AI won't take our job. As Mr. Esen also explained that in a good way. He explained very well. Thank you for that, Mr. Esen. Yeah. I want to share the information with you guys. Experts predict that the impact of AI and automation on the job market will be significant. According to the WEF means World Economic Forum, it says that 85 million jobs will be displaced, will be disappear. But, however, it also believes that 97 million new jobs will be created by the AI revolution, guys. So it will be similar to, industry revolution before, you know, at 19, at the beginning of 1990, 19th century. Ottoman Empire believes that industrial revolution is not so good, and it gets the industrial revolution a little bit lately, so it affects the empire, and the empire collapse. But believe me, AI is a similar to industrial revolution, and it gives new opportunities to us. And tech pro education gives all the education's area or education parts by using AI tools. Okay, the testers The QAs will learn the tools by AI, the developers learn the tools by AI, and data scientists, all the areas, all the fields are learn their education by the AI tools. I want to share that with you guys. You need to learn AI. You need to how to use AI after now.
Thank you. Thank you.
All
Yes,
right.
definitely. So we need to learn the AI and we need to use AI in our
And
working.
Mr. Meksha, and yeah, I want to answer the question in a basic way. AI won't make us to lose our job. It helps us. It helps us to make our job easier.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah,
basic.
you explained
Yeah.
it. And also, we talk about the IT field and we talk about why we need to choose the bootcamp, why we need to choose the TechPro Education. So, Mr. Burak, can you explain the your mentoring part in the TechPro Education?
Okay, let me share my screen with you first because it is my specific area. Let me choose the monitor first. Yes, can you see my screen now? Yeah, I
Yes,
think you can see my screen, guys.
we can
Uh,
see.
okay. Yes, mentoring in this bootcamp, in this education, I wrote like that. Mentoring is everything, guys. We will do. We will do coaching for you. We will make a training for you. Yeah, we will show you which direction you need to choose. Yeah, we will support you how to study for your lessons. We will give you advices that when you need these advice, and we will try to increase your motivation in this boot camp duration. It is a little bit, as I said you before, intensive duration, and sometimes you will lose your motivation at that time. Believe me, we will help you. Don't worry about it. Yeah, what is mentor? I wrote in here, but mentor is something like a coach will help you in this education when you need, yeah, providing advice, guidance, and information on, yeah, relevant issue. Mentor's job is that. Mentor is a person who has a practical experience, knowledge, skill, or expertise addressing the personal and professional development of another, providing advice, guidance, and information on relevant issues. Yeah, uh, think like that. Mentor is will be your friend and will be your leader in this boot camp duration. There will be two special roles for the mentor. Mentor makes the learning easy because, guys, we take the same education before, so we know how to follow this education path. Okay, mentors will know that, and mentors will help you how to walk on this path. Okay, mentor will be a role model for you, and so you will take you will see the role, you will see how you will how you will behave by following your mentor. Yeah, what are the responsibilities of the mentor? Mentors will set the goals with mentee. Yeah, students are mentee in here. Mentors hold the mentees accountable. Mentors will help mentees answer their own questions. Yeah, mentors connect mentees to each other, guys. In IT field, teamwork, team studies are so important, and by yourself, it is impossible to adjust to a team. At that time, mentors will help you to adjust to a team and to be a good team member. Yeah, mentors will coach the mentees on the skills you are in experts, and make yourself available to them. Yeah, mentors every day will be prepared themselves for every meeting. Yes, these are the roles for mentors. What we are doing uh, in this education, guys, there will be groups, and these groups are prepared from 10 people. uh, the trainees can reach their goals confidently and quickly. These groups have the opportunity to meet and get ideas from their mentor once a week, both collectively and individually every day. Yeah, by by these teams, you will do your team studies. Mentor, who is always with mentees during the busy schedule of boot camps, strives to ensure that mentees are successful at the end of the road. Every day, every week, guys, we will get feedback from you, and we will talk with you every day. And this makes this education really informable and really attractive for you. In mentoring sessions, what we are doing, we will make our mentoring sessions each week, every week, one time, but every day we will be ready for you. Your mentors will be ready for you, for your feedbacks, for your demands. Okay, you can reach your mentor easily. But we will make a special session for 1.5 hours. It took once a week. We will do review of the week. We will get feedback from you. We will make preliminary information and lesson motivation in that mentoring sessions, guidance, information of course, lesson attendance. We will make group work. We will make coding. We will make flashcard studies. We will make Replit studies, and we will make Kahoot games. Kahoot games are really good, attractive games for you guys. You will make these games together with your teammates, and it attracts you, it motivates you so much. What does the mentor do during the week? Answer, as I said you before, we will be ready for you every time, and we will give you the response for your question at least within 20 hours, 12 hours, sorry. It becomes a buffer between course and the trainee, to the best of the ability with his authority, set up code solution. Yeah, sometimes you stuck on some code, and at that time we will help you. You will use Slack and LMS video link for the solutions and guidance. We will help you from these platforms. Yes, the mentor tries to explain the logic of the pending topics in the course, or to help understand the topic by sharing the relevant site resource. Also, we will share the resources with you. Guys, you can reach every information by using internet, but how you will reach the specific resource. These are important for you. At that time, mentors will help you. We will help you at that time. Yeah, we will take attendance every time, and we will make face to face. In your normal course, normal lessons, it won't be face to face. you can only write your message to your teacher, but in our mentoring sessions, we will do it face to face. Okay, we will open our camera and we will open our microphones and we will talk. Yeah, what you should pay attention during the bootcamp process. These are important for you guys, especially in mentoring. As I said, you participant in weekly joint lessons and mentoring. Inform your mentor if you cannot attend for 2 consecutive weeks. Okay, these are important for you. You need to follow the education without any missing days. Okay, you need to inform us. You need to inform your mentor first. We will do small study group sessions, and yeah, we will talk about these details. These are all details, but microphone and camera in mentoring sessions are important. You need to open them. Yeah, these are all for mentoring session. We will talk about details again after you start your bootcamp. Don't worry.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Mr. Burak. Thank you.
Uh,
As you see, dear friends, and when you start the boot camps with us, so our mentors will help you about every topic, so you won't be feel alone in during the boot camps. So and also when you face some issue during the boot camps, and our mentor will help you. And after the boot camp, of course, we will help you also with our career coaching teams. So now, like Mr. Esen, can you explain the why we are? Can you explain the career coaching sessions?
Okay, Mr. Meksha. First of all, our studying will start after the training process. I will give some information about this process, Mr. Meksha. Firstly, we built our friend's resume. A resume is a short CV, as you know. Resume documentation containing a person's education, a person's work experience, a person's skills, achievements, and other important information about the candidate. It is used to emphasize an applicant's professional background and skills. My friends will help you to how to prepare a professional resume. Our career coach will provide to you guidance in this process. LinkedIn account is the second. We are built our friends LinkedIn account. LinkedIn is a social media platform. LinkedIn aims to build professional business networks and business related connections. Users can connect with the other business professionals. Users can share their career history, skills, educational information, and so we can say users build their professional networks. Our career coach will help you how to build your LinkedIn profile. And during the process of finding a job, we are always with you both one-to-one and in group meetings and explain. We will explain how you should manage the process. We try to help you until you find a job. We try to help you until you find a job and provide all the necessary support in this process, my friend. Mock interview sessions. Mock interview is a simulated job interview. It helps job seekers practice and prepare for the real thing. It's a valuable tool for improving interview skills, boosting confidence, and refining responses to common interview questions. The importance of the motivation plays a big role in the job search process. This process can often be challenging and take a long time sometimes. So high levels of motivation will make you successful. We are working on questions. The questions can be asked in interviews about tools. We invite our former students. Our former students are interested in our field and they are talking about their process. We are doing a mock interview with students volunteer among us. Uh, that's all my explaining is so.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. Esen. You explained very well. So basically, dear friends, actually, we have also one guest. So he joined our boot camps not long time ago. He got our boot camp as a, QA engineer, and after finishing the QA engineer, actually, during this boot camps, so our mentor teams help him, and then after the boot camp, he our career coaching help him. So now he is working in IT company in Europe. So he will explain his experience about this field, about the boot camps. So yeah, Mr. Yusuf, welcome on board. So how are you?
Thank you. Hello, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. And can you explain your experience in during the boot camp and also your role in the company?
Of course. First of all, currently I'm working in a big company as a QA engineer. During my boot camp, uh, I can surely say that the boot camp was quite enough for education, uh, or even it's more than enough, I think. But the tricky part is also surely is the interviews. But thanks to our mentors, they will always help you, as Mr. Ethan said. They won't let you go until you find a job. That's the most important thing, I think, because after my graduation from the boot camp, my searching for a job lasted for so long. It was like 5 months, but I was about to give up. I was about to give my all hopes, but thanks to our mentors, they give you special caring. They are like friends to you. So it's very important for me. So I didn't give up thanks to them. I kept going because I was also very shy about the interviews. But thanks to these mock interview sessions, they give you a real confidence. At first, I was very bad in my first mock interview, but after that hard part, I became so confident that a couple of months later, I found a really good uh, company and exactly what I was hoping for. So I'm very grateful about it.
Thank you so much. And as Yusuf mentioned about it, so he take our boot camp, and it took like 6 months. And after the 5 months, so we prepared the mock interview for him. And the first his interview was bad, but our career coaching helped him. And after the 5 months, so he found a good job in the Europe. So thank you explaining your experience, Mr. Yusuf. So
Thank you.
yeah, dear friends, actually we explained every detail in our boot camps in also IT field. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And also, as you see, there is a banner, so you can contact with those numbers and also emails. So yeah, thank you so much, dear friends. And also thank you, Mr. Burak and Mr. Esen. You
Thank you, Mr.
explained,
Bakan.
help us again.
You are welcome, Mr. Melikşah.
You're welcome, guys.
Okay, I see there is no question. Okay, so we can finish our meeting, and take care. Goodbye,
Thank
and have a
you.
nice
You all.
See you. Bye bye.
My name is Calvin. I'm a delivery guy. Actually, I was a delivery guy. This is my very last delivery. Here you go, Miss Jennifer.
Well, thank you, Calvin.
Very welcome. Are you thinking of an innovation in your career? Now's the time. Find the course that suits you best and join one of the best training programs to reach your dreams.